A day after Chhattisgarh IAS officer video of thrashing a youth went viral on social media and caused outrage all across the netizens, another such video has come to light. Additional District Magistrate Manjusha Roy slapped a youth for opening a shop in Madhya Pradesh's Shajapur in violation of ongoing COVID-19 curfew imposed by the state government to tackle the surge in coronavirus cases. The youth shopkeeper, however, cried foul over the additional district magistrate's action and said the shutter of his shop was closed when the incident took place. The shutter was down, still the policeman pulled it up. The ADM slapped me, the policeman even hit me with a stick, ANI quoted the shopkeeper as saying. The video of the incident, which took place during the sealing of shops as part of following the COVID-19 lockdown guidelines, has gone viral on social media, with netizens questioning the extent of authorities using their power to impose protocol during the pandemic. Taking note of the incident, Madhya Pradesh Education Minister Inder Singh Parmar said that action will be taken against the additional district magistrate if needed. This comes as several other incidents too have been reported in recent weeks in other states, with the people complaining about the administration's rigid attitude while ensuring the COVID protocols are followed during the pandemic. Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.